Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel A Trick to Learn. In this video, you can see the names of the states, the union territories of India and their capitals also. In large and small numbers by area, please like the video if you like it. Then press the subscribe button and ring the bell icon and you will get latest videos of this channel. Even don't forget to share the liked video by you. Let us start the video without delay. Number 1, Rajasthan. Capital Jaipur. 2, Madhya Pradesh. Capital Bhopal. 3, Maharashtra. Capital Mumbai. 4, Uttar Pradesh. Capital Lucknow. 5, Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. 6, Karnataka. Capital Bengaluru. Number 7, Andhra Pradesh. Capital Amaravati. 8, Odisha. Capital Bhubaneswar. 9, Chhattisgarh. Capital Raipur. 10, Tamil Nadu. Capital Chennai. 11, Telangana. Capital Hyderabad. Bihar. Capital Patna. Number 13, West Bengal. Capital Kolkata. 14, Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar. 15, Jharkhand. Capital Ranchi. 16, Assam. Capital Dispur. 17, Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. 18, Uttarakhand. Capital Dehradun. Serial number 19, Punjab. Capital Chandigarh. 20, Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. 21, Kerala. Capital Thiruvananthapuram. 22, Meghalaya. Capital Shillong. 23, Manipur. Capital Imphal. 24, Mizoram. Capital Aizawl. 25, Nagaland. Capital Kohima. 26, Tripura. Capital Agartala. 27, Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. 28, Goa. Capital Panaji. Then Union Territories. Number 1, Jammu and Kashmir. Capital Jammu in winter and Srinagar in summer. Number 2, Ladakh. Capital Leh, Kargil, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital Port Blair. Number 4, National Capital Territory Delhi. Capital Delhi, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital Silvassa. Then number 6, Puducherry. Capital Puducherry. Number 7, Chandigarh. Capital Chandigarh. Number 8, Lakshadweep. Capital Kavat. Thanks for watching.